Hundreds of buses, trucks, cars, auto rickshaws, vans, and motorbikes battle for space every day in Dhaka, the world's fastest growing megacity with a population of 50 million. Currently, city commuters spend several hours to travel from one destination to another in snail-paced traffic. Let's watch a video report on the topic by our desk reporter Leon Zaman.
Commuters in Dhaka city experience heavy traffic congestion at different parts of the capital Dhaka, as hundreds of vehicles get stranded in queue for a long time due to traffic congestion. A recent World Bank study shows that Dhaka's average traffic speed has dropped from 21 to 7 km per hour in the last 10 years, slightly above the average walking speed. Traffic gridlock eats up 3.2 million work hours per day and eats up about 1.5 billion taka per day and 550 billion taka every year. The number of vehicles, especially private cars, have more than doubled in the last 5 years. Also, there are thousands of unregistered and expired vehicles still in service in the commute. City dwellers are hard hit by bottleneck of traffic jam due to multiplicity of vehicles amid the various political rallies and protocols.
In adjacent megacities like Delhi and Mumbai, Metro Rail has significantly improved traffic situations. By 2019, Dhaka will have reached their rank with the completion of the first phase of the Metro Rail project. A metro rail line between Uttara and Motijil will be built by 2019. Mr. Mofazil Hossain, Project Director of Dhaka MRT Development Project, is confident that the work will be finished in due time.
বাস্তবে কাজ হয়েছে অনেক বেশি। প্যাকেজগুলিকে যদি আমরা দুই ভাগে ভাগ করি, একটা কনস্ট্রাকশন আর একটা প্রি কনস্ট্রাকশন, তাহলে প্যাকেজ 3-2-3-4 এর প্রি কনস্ট্রাকশন 95% কাজ শেষ।
Now let's see a video report on the topic by our desk reporter Parma Sharin.
With the digital age comes the megacities and subsequently a metro rail system that drives the city's transportation engine. The first phase of the MRT system will cost a total of 22,000 crore, where Japan will initially lend 16,000 crore. The 20-kilometer long elevated electricity-powered lightweight rail track stretches from Uttara to Motijil. The trains will consist of 6 air-conditioned cars which can accommodate 1,800 passengers. A total of 14 trains will carry 60,000 passengers per hour in both directions. The MRT Route 6 consists of 16 elevated stations along the route. Passengers will pay their fares through smart cards. The estimated time to travel from north end of Uttara to Motijil is 35 minutes. The metro rail would be a noise-free, environment-friendly, clean energy transport medium. It will speed up Dhaka's traffic and ensure that journeys are completed on time.
As Dhaka commuters look towards the eagerly anticipated Metro Rail, officials are positive that the Metro Rail will reduce traffic congestion and improve Dhaka's transportation infrastructure. Arnab Shariar, CG News, Uttara, Dhaka.